Good morning, children. Today we will study a new chapter, that is Europe, which is chapter number 11. Europe is a continent, as you all know. It is comprising the westernmost peninsula of Eurasia. So, in the western side of Eurasia, the Europe is present. It is the sixth largest continent in the world and the second smallest continent. Australia or Oceania is smaller than Europe. Now, it is the birthplace of Western culture and Western civilization. The Industrial Revolution began in Europe in the 18th century. This revolution paved the way for the European colonization in every continent. European history, culture, economy, social and political aspects have greatly influenced the people of the world today. Now, location. Europe is located on the western side of the continent of Asia. It is a large peninsular part of the great landmass called Eurasia. As you all know that Europe and Asia forms Eurasia. Latitudinal extent. It extends from 35 degree north to 72 degree north, and longitudinal extent is from 25 degree west to 65 degree west. Most of the Europe is actually located in the temperate zone, and only a small area beyond the Arctic Circle is found, that is in the frigid zone. Thank you, children. Good morning, children. Now we will study about the boundary of Europe. Europe is surrounded by Arctic Ocean in the northern side, along with White Sea and Baltic Sea. Black Sea and Mediterranean Sea is lying in the southern side. The continent of Asia is located in the eastern side of Europe, where the Europe and Asia is demarcated or separated by Ural Mountains, Ural River and the Caspian Sea. Atlantic Ocean, Bay of Biscay and North Sea is located in the western side of Europe. The narrow Gibraltar Strait is separating Europe from Africa. Area and extent of Europe. Europe is elongated in shape, as you can see in this given map, that it is elongated in its western side, and a large number of peninsulas are present in this Europe. It is about 5,400 km long in the east to west direction and about 5,050 km long in the north to south direction. So, Europe is covering an area of about 10,50,000 square kilometer, which is 3 times more than the size of India. Coastline of Europe. So, in terms of its area, Europe has the longest coastline, which is about 60,973 kilometers long. This coastline is indented or broken in nature, that is suitable for the large number of natural harbors. Thank you, children.